Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Engel Völkers exclusive tour. And today I've got a treat for you. I'm standing on a plot of 3,138 square meters, 2 minutes walk from the beach and right next door to the one and only Links golf course. Are you ready? Let's go and have a look at this beauty. I have to say, I'm wearing a tie out of respect because we are in the most respectable neighborhood in all of Marbella, Guadalmina Baja. Now, for more information about Guadalmina Baja, check out the link below with our full area guide. Now, next we're going to go and have a look inside this property. The property is just under 800 square meters of beauty. Are you ready? Come on then, let's go and have a look. Now, it's important to point out, and I'm sure you're going to see it for yourself, but the architecture is absolutely out of this world, and that's because the house has been designed by one of Marbella's top architects, Melvin Villaroel. So, let's go inside and I'll bring you around and show you the beautiful layout. So as soon as I walk into this room, the first thing that really hits me is this high vaulted ceiling, an open fireplace, and it's absolutely beaming with light. Now to my left, you've got the dining room, which connects to the kitchen, which connects to the service area. To my right, we've got another big sitting room, an office area, and two very big sized bedrooms. Here I am on the first floor, completely independent master suite with a huge dressing room, a seating area, and a really cute terrace. So what you haven't seen yet is the guest suite as well as the massive entertainment area. So let's go and have a look at that, shall we? Thank you so much for joining us on another exclusive Engel Völkers property tour. I can't wait to see you here in Marbella. Now don't forget to subscribe. All the information about this beautiful property as well as the area is in the link below. We'll see you soon.